Hi, my name's Tom Bennett and I work for an organisation called the Scottish Recovery Consortium, but I'm also a board member here at Alcohol Focus Scotland. And I'm here to talk about the renewal and uprating of minimum unit pricing and why we support it. Because in our work, we see the devastation that alcohol can cause across families and communities, the psychological harms, the harm it does to relationships, to people's physical and mental health, and ultimately causing death. So we want to see a range of measures that are introduced that are properly funded, resourced and implemented across the board, that are going to be supporting people's lives and making it easier for them to access recovery, access treatment where necessary, and to see these measures joined up across the health and social care system, housing and justice and so on. We see that minimum unit pricing can make a massive difference and prevent people developing problems. And minimum unit pricing and the uprating of it can take cheap booze off the shelves of the shops in Scotland. Providing cheap booze is not a solution to Scotland's alcohol problem. And we see that, the strong alcoholic drinks that are flavoured with fruits and colourfully marketed, once upon a time these drinks were cost the same as any other kind of fizzy juice, even cheaper than fizzy juices sometimes, or water. So minimum unit pricing makes these drinks much less accessible and affordable to the younger markets. Okay, and also there's a strong evidence base to suggest that minimum unit pricing is a really effective part of a jigsaw, a whole range of measures that has to be addressed here. On its own, minimum unit pricing is not going to be the magic solution. So it has to be seen as one piece in the jigsaw that's going to help to reduce Scotland's harms that are caused by alcohol. And we see that it's also an opportunity for Scottish Government to show Scotland's recovery communities and Scotland's people with lived experience of alcohol problems that they're taking us seriously and that they want to do the right thing, and that they've heard the voice of lived experience speak up and say that cheap booze is not a solution to this problem, and that it's too accessible and too affordable by young people. So we've got to do something about that, and it's absolutely within Scottish Government's grasp and powers to do this. So thanks very much.